Hello, welcome to Smita's Mathematica. I am Smita Ghosh. Let's try to solve JEE Main 2019 8 April question, Shift 1, question number 13. Sum of the natural number between 100 and 200 whose HCF with 91 should be more than 1. 4 options are given. Now, see, the number is in between 100 to not more than 200 and not less than 100. Natural numbers between 100 to 200 are 101, 102, up to 199. Since 91 is equal to 13 into 7, so HCF with 91. Okay, so the natural numbers between 100 and 200 or 100 to 200 whose HCF with 91 greater than 1. Okay, add the numbers which are divisible 13 and 7. Okay, so the sum of the respective numbers is equal to sum of numbers divisible by 7 plus sum of numbers divisible by 13. These are the two sums. Then it should be the two sums are deduct from sum of the numbers divisible both 13 and 7. Is that clear? First of all, sum of the number divisible by 7 and sum of the number divisible by 13 is added. Then, as it is not more than 200 and 91 should be more than 1, therefore those numbers which are divisible both 13 and 7 should be deducted from this. Now, these are the summation r equal to 1 to 14, 98 plus 7 are, as 90 is the highest divisor, and which is less than 1, and 100, and it is plus it is divisible, sum of the numbers divisible by 7 plus sum of the number divisible by 13. It is 91 plus 13 are, and it is deducted sum of the numbers 91 into 2, which is both divisible 13 and 7. Now it is an AP where we get 14. It is the question. So now look at this. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into R. We know, as it is AP's form. AN is equal to 196 is the highest number in between 200, and A is equal to 98, starting from 98, starting number N minus 1, and R is 7 as it is divisible by 7. Therefore 196 minus 98 divided by 7 is equal to N minus 1. That implies N minus 1 is equal to 14. So the range is R is equal to 1 to 14. Is that clear? Now it is same as our least term is 91, and then putting the value 91 and it is 13, then we get R is equal to 1 to 8 range. Okay. Now solving this, we get 98 into 14 plus 7 into 14 into 15 divide 2 plus 91 into 8 plus 91 into 8 plus 13 into 8 into 9 divided by 2 and minus 182. Now after solving this, we get this is 932, it is 1372 plus it is 777, it is 735 plus 728 plus 468 minus 182, that is equal to 3303 minus 182, and it is equal to 1 and 2 to 1 3. Therefore 3121 is the sum of the respective numbers, and we reached the answer. This is our answer, and our option is 3121. Option is option 3. So option 3 is our correct answer. That's all.